Precious, what do you think? What do you think? You don't know if you want to try the strawberry? Hmm? Come back. Come on. Come try the strawberry. It looks good. Come on. Come back. Come try your strawberry. Come on, you got your strawberry over here. Zoe, no. Zoe wants your strawberry. Come on. It's a good strawberry. Come on. I hear thunder. It's rainy season, so every day it rains a little bit here in Florida. But then the sun comes back out and it dries right up, so it's not too bad. Precious, your strawberry is over here waiting for you. Look. Yeah, what in the world? Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, Precious. Precious. You don't want the strawberry? You like mangoes? Okay, guess you're not going to eat the strawberries.